Hi besties, welcome back to Erasing Mistakes. On today's video,
we are doing TikTok inspired Boho DIY home decor.
Alright, let's get into it. The first project are textured vases.
Here are the items that you will need to decorate the vase. The 2 vases come from Dollar Tree along with the sticker dots. The 2 spray paints come from Hobby Lobby. The one is a textured and the other one is a matte white. For the first vase, we decided to do a staggered pattern. I started with placing dots all around in a row, and then for the next row, I put it between the gaps.
For the second vase, we placed 2 rows at the top and 2 rows at the bottom, completely going around the vase. If you don't get it, just follow the rest of the clip.
Okay, besties, here comes the fun part. We then headed on outside and we sprayed both of the vases with the textured spray paint.
After letting the 2 vases dry for about 30 minutes, we followed up with the white matte paint. Make sure you get all the corners.
Voila! There you have it, Boho inspired plant vases.
Remember, we got some of the items from Dollar Tree and other items from Hobby Lobby, so we didn't break the bank at all. Alright, on to the next DIY.
For the beaded chandelier, you would need wooden beads of various sizes, a plant hanging device, a metal ring, and twine. We began by taping the end of our twine to make beading the beads easier. We separated our beads with various sizes, ensuring that they're even. Each section has 4 layers with a total of 3 sections. Let's get to beading.
As we progressed through layers 2 through 4, the layers got progressively smaller.
After completing all 3 sections with 4 layers, now we must make 3 smaller sections that consist of 2 layers. I know this is confusing, besties, but just continue to watch.
That was some work. Now you have it, all your beaded layers. Now it's time to move on to tying the layers to the hoop. Keep going, besties. You're tying it very well. We're almost to the end.
Once you have tied the 3 sections with 4 layers onto the metal hoop, now it's time to do the smaller section. The only difficult thing about this is to make sure that you overlap the smaller section into the larger section. That makes no sense, guys. Just watch what I'm doing.
Was a lot of work. Now finish off by wrapping the twine around the metal hoop. Then just simply attach the plant hangers to each end. There you have it.
Wow, what a stunning piece. There you have it, your Boho DIY beaded chandelier.
Yes, besties, you can put this anywhere in your home. And until next time,
bye, besties.